Sorry, I'll just catch my breath really quickly. To all the hunks and babes, you may now relax. Brother, alam mo, you know the drill. Chill lang, relax lang. Alright. Sorry, inubos ko yung pagkain ko ng mabilis. I really have to do it really quickly. Alright, so while the judges are tabulating, I would like once again to go ahead our criteria for judging, starting off with physique and body proportion, 40%, personality and character, 30%, team presentation, 20%, audience impact, 10%. That is a total of 100%. Paalala lamang po, wala po tayong Summer Buddies Quest next week. Nagkita-kita po ulit tayo on April 6th. Alright, that will be the Saturday after the next. And syempre, the winners will get to take home 2,000 pesos. And they will be posted there at magkikita-kita kami sa Grand Finals. Para sa mga non-winners naman, they can take home 1,000 pesos. So syempre, yung experience na makasama kayong lahat at makita kayo, malaking bagay po yun sa ating mga hunks at sa mga babes. Okay, alam ko, yung ilan sa inyo, alam ko na yung ginagawa. Alam niyo na yung gagawin ko. So, I'll get to interview you guys a little bit. Just share your name. Tapos kung mayroon kayong any social media accounts that you want to share, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, just look how many people are here. Makapag-follow lang sa inyo, probably half of this. Meron na kayong automatic 200 followers, instant followers, di ba? Or kung may businesses kayo, tulad ni Nanay, may paupahan. So kung gusto i-promote, kindly do so. And if you want to thank anyone in the crowd, your manager, kung may special person who's watching right now, na sumusuporta sa inyo, now is the perfect time. Alright, I will start off with the babes. Alright, so introduce nyo lang yung sarili nyo and kung may social media handles kayo, kung nag-vlog kayo, ganyan, promote na natin. Alright, babe number 1, take it away.
Good evening everyone. Eileen Ann Salvilla, 21 years old, from Pasig City. May Facebook po ako, Eileen Ann Salvilla, yun lang po, and Instagram, Eileen.Salvilla.
Alright, thank you so much. Babe number 1, so you can follow her on your social media pages. That's Sabaw. Ano din? Eileen.Salvilla. Bawalin po, kanina pa po akong magigising. Okay, and let's move on to babe number 2. Babe number 2, the same question lang din.
Hi, good evening po. I'm Andrea De La Rosa, 23 years old, from Pasig City. Pwede po niyong panoorin yung mga short film ko, Tibon ko. Yun lang.
Alright, so we have an actress naman here. Saan natin mapapanood yung short film mo?
Sa FB lang po, YouTube, and
Alright, you can just type in title ay T-Ball. Alright, T-Ball. You can catch her on T-Ball on Facebook and YouTube. Alright, and of course, babe number 3.
And so, good evening everyone. So, my name is Miles Alim and I'm really grateful to be here. It's actually my first time to be in this kind of event because I tend to join mini pageant and it just really gives me that empowerment feeling, especially for those people who don't really appreciate their body. So, thank you so much for this kind of event. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Galing, magsalita. Pwede rin future host, probably. And baka meron ka din social media handles. We have an actress, we have a Facebook page and Instagram account. Baka may gusto ka din i-share sa amin.
So, my Instagram will be Miles_Tiffany. Thank you.
Short but sweet, Miles_Tiffany. There we go. Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan natin yung mga babes natin. Now we move on to our hunks. Started with, of course, hunk number 1. Baka dami mong fans dun eh, oh. Si hunk number 1, nagsisigawan talaga. Alright, hunk number 1. Same question din sa mga babes natin.
Alright, good morning everyone. My name is Prince. I'm from Pampanga, 25 years old. I'm really grateful to be part of this event. And thank you so much po sa mga nanonood, sa mga audience po natin dyan na tumatangkilik sa ating Buddies Summer Buddy Quest modeling. So, may Facebook din po ako. You can just visit Prince Rayo Yoshiro po. Prince Rayo Ron Yoshiro po.
Medyo mahaba brother. Prince Rayo Ron Yoshiro. Okay. Do you also do TikTok? Ganyan, meron din ba? You also have, what's your TikTok account, brother?
Yoshiken_22 po.
Yoshi. Yoshiken_22. There we go. Alright, so hunk number 2. Ikaw naman.
CJ Exception, 25 years old from Tondo, Manila. My Facebook is CJ Exception.
Alright, brother, short and sweet. You can just follow him on his Facebook and Instagram account as CJ Asception. Okay, and last but not least, Brother Kurt. Ayan.
Hello, Isitan. Skirt dito sa Leo po, Tondo, Manila. Sa mga social media, pala, Kurt dito sa Leo. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat. Kurt dito sa Leo.
Galing fans ni Kurt dito eh. Oh, gabi. Alright, so mukhang ready na ata ang tabulations natin. Babes and Hunks, congratulations to you guys.